Hi everyone, I am Siva Prasad, Associate Professor in CSE Department in Guntur Engineering College. In this class, we are going to discuss about Cbam in Software Architecture and Design Pattern subject. Cbam stands for Cost and Benefit Analysis Method. It is a continuation to your ATOM method. So ATOM stands for Architecture Trade-off Analysis Method. The CBOM is an architecture for analyzing the cost, benefit, and scheduled implications of the architectural decisions. Whereas ATM stands for Architecture Trade-off Analysis Method, is considered the design decisions with respect to architectural quality attributes like modifiability, performance, availability, usability, security, testability, and so on. Already you are well aware of these quality attributes. In our previous class, we have discussed about quality attributes. ATOM is focusing only on the quality attributes. ATOM is not concentrating on economical activities, that is financial activities, cost related activities. But as a business persons, the management will definitely focus on financial criteria, how much cost it incurs and how much benefits we are getting. So they need to compare both cost and benefit. That was the lagging of a ATOM. So that feature has been added to ATOM and they have named it as Cbam. So don't think that Cbam is different from ATOM. Cbam is a continuation of ATOM, because in the ATOM it is missing cost benefit analysis. ATOM is fulfilling all your quality attributes, but it is missing only cost analysis. So Cbam considers cost is also as one of the quality criteria. Cbam is different from the former method. It had cost and quality attributes. So don't think that ATOM is different and cost Cbam is different. Cbam is a continuation to ATOM. But ATOM is one method, Cbam is one method. Cbam stands for Cost Benefit Analysis Method. The name itself suggesting the importance of cost. Okay, you see, like that they will have a comparison. Whereas in the ATOM, there is only focusing on quality attributes. But Cbam is focusing on economical activities. That is, what is the cost and what is the benefit for each and every criteria. We need economic modes of software that takes into account cost, benefit, risk, and schedule implications. The cost benefit analysis method is built on ATOM to model the cost and benefits of the architecture design decisions. It means of optimizing such decisions. The Cbam provides an assessment of technical and economical issues and architectural decisions. The decision making context. The software architect or decision makers wishes to maximize profits. So for any business organization, the primary criteria is profits. Every business person is making the business for the sake of getting profits. So whatever the organization it may be, the profit will be the primary criteria. So in the same way, at the time of developing the software or analyzing the architecture, so they must have focus on the profits. What is the cost? What is the benefit? So Cbam begins where ATM concludes, and in fact it depends upon the artifact that ATM produces as output. Cbam is a continuation for ATOM. ATOM is focusing only on the quality attributes. So you know that quality attributes, availability, modifiability, performance, etc. But Cbam is adding economical activities as one of the quality attributes, and it is giving the analysis between what is the cost and what is the benefit. What activities we can invest for cost, invest with minimum cost, and what activities we can maximize the benefits. So you see this business goals, architectural strategies, cost is the criteria. So along with this quality criteria, they are also focusing on the benefits, cost and benefits. They are also focusing on cost and benefit. So already you know the quality attributes. Along with the quality attributes, this architecture is focusing on cost and benefits. In the examination, the diagram plays important role. The basis for the Cbam, utility. It determines by considering the issues described in this part. You see variations of scenario, variations of scenario. Already you know scenarios for quality controls or scenarios for quality attributes. So you have 6 quality attributes. In the scenarios you got 8. One is introduction and the additional last one is relationship scenario. So you consider these variations of the scenarios, so stimulus, environment, response. All those scenarios are considered in the Cbam also. But in the ATM, these scenarios have been considered in the individual manner. Whereas in the Cbam, they are considered it in the group manner. Those 3 scenarios, stimulus, response and environment, these are considered in the individual fashion in the atom, whereas in the Cbam they are considering as a pairs or in the combination. So to increase the cost, sorry, to reduce the cost, to increase the profits, how these scenarios can be coordinated, matched together, like that they have analysis and they develop some utility response curve, utility response curve. So every stimulus response value pair in a scenario provides some utility to the stakeholders. So what the cost is incurring to increase the performance and what is the benefit you are getting. For example, to provide the reliability in a database server, they are providing standby database. So what is the cost it is incurring? Additional cost it is incurring. Power consumption, second server maintenance, the place required for it, cost of that server, and everything comes under the cost activities. So in response to this cost, what are the benefits? Benefits in the reliability format, how the customer satisfies, what the level of increase in the reliability, like that they need to compare. So accordingly they choose what level of cost they want to invest and what level of benefits they are getting. If they satisfy financially, then they are going to implement that feature. Otherwise they drop the feature or modify that combination. There is no hard-bound rule like that if you invest this amount you are going to get this many benefits. It is like a trial and error method. By practice they are getting, or they are getting it by trial and error method. So for example, you see consider the high availability and response. Okay, only the user may increase its responsibility maybe in the light manner. You see the cost benefit analysis curve. You see consider some curves. For example, you see the figure. The utility could vary non-linearly or linearly or even in the steep function. You see, it may be increasing linearly or it may be increasing in the curve format or it may be in the step function or it may be in the non-linear, non-curve model. Like that, the changes may be in a different manner. You cannot say it is in the straight line or it is curve or it is parabola. It depends upon the relationship between these criteria. So in what combination you are increasing or we are decreasing the changes from one department to another department and from one combination to another combination. So just for example, you see this graph A where the modest changes, whereas the modest changes in the response level result only when very small changes in the utility to the user. You see the utility. By making small changes, it is making very little bit change in this portion. Remaining, okay, by making small change, it is able to get. But you consider this zone. So even though you have given the changes from A to B, but the change is very less, modest change. Whereas the same portion, if you consider here, the change is high. If you consider at the beginning, the same level the changes, if you consider at the beginning, the increment is very high. But whereas in this portion, the increment level is very high, little bit modest. So like that, the organization needs to make a comparison between various criterias and various scenarios. So that is in the